Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Overall, Forex no deposit bonuses are made available to traders by only a select few of reputable brokers. A no deposit welcome bonus is a promotional offer that provides trading credit to new clients on sign up, allowing traders to start investing without risking their own capital. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reputable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CySEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 4 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, R Trader, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more. With fixed spread accounts available on Fixed Cent, Fixed Standard, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses, we have CM Trading. CM Trading is a South African online Forex broker that was founded by traders for traders and combines years of experience to create a centralized destination for online trading. Operating as the largest Forex broker in South Africa, CM Trading specializes in Forex, index and commodity trading. CM Trading differentiates itself in the market through its advanced order executions, competitive pricing, and its comprehensive customer support. The broker also works with business partners, providing them with the best affiliate and IB programs on the market, which forms part of ICM Trading's strategy to continuously develop, innovate, and upgrade. CM Trading offers the highly popular MetaTrader 4 trading platform to clients around the globe, attracting hundreds of thousands of traders and affiliates who enjoy the broker's advanced trading environment, competitive pricing, and secure client protection measures. CM Trading also provides a variety of how-to videos, educational ebooks, webinars, seminars, a variety of research tools such as technical analysis, trading signals, and daily trading news for you to browse through. If you are looking for any additional educational content with CM trading. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.